What a lovely, it's like a national parks thing. There's no set distance between steps. I think last time I'm not skydiving, but I took skin off the shoulders.
There's nothing much more around the corner. I didn't look around there. Look at the pink tape here. First people ever to be here.
Oh, yeah.